Good afternoon and welcome to episode 2 of Walking Rainbows. It is I, Super Science, and my handy assistant, Donut Girl. Now, in this morning's episode, you saw us set up an experiment we called Walking Rainbows. And then you set about making a hypothesis, otherwise known as a prediction. And we are now going to check in after some time has passed and see which predictions are correct. All right. So taking a look here, this is our first jar. And if you recall, we had red water in the first jar. The second jar was empty. The third jar had yellow water. They combined and made orange. And then, let's see, the fourth jar was empty. The fifth jar had blue water in it. So the yellow and the blue combined to make
green.
And then we had an empty sixth jar, and the seventh jar had red water in it. So the blue and the red combined to make
purple.
Oh my goodness, is that not the most beautiful walking rainbow you have ever seen? All right, now we're going to get down to the science of what actually happened. And I'm going to take this off so that I can see. All right, so what happens is the colored water travels up the paper towel by a process called capillary action. Capillary action is the ability of a liquid to flow upward against gravity in narrow spaces. This is the very same thing that helps water climb from a plant's roots to the leaves of the treetops. Isn't that awesome? Paper towels and all paper products are made from fibers found in plants called cellulose. In this demonstration, the water flowed upwards through the tiny gaps between the cellulose fibers. The gaps in the towel acted like capillary tubes, pulling the water upwards. The water is able to defy gravity as it travels upward due to the attractive forces between the water and the cellulose fibers. That kind of sets us up for our next unit in science, which is going to be plants. Whoop, whoop. All right, well, we hope you had fun doing your experiment and checking us out. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day, everybody.